In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Jira to Todoist so your development issues and your personal task list finally stay in step. It takes about a minute and you only set it up once. Let's start from anywhere inside Todoist. First, press the letter O on your keyboard to open the menu, then the letter S to jump straight into your settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see a list down the side with Account, General, Theme, and more. Go ahead and click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make with the other tools you already use every day. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs: Installed, Browse, and Developer. Click the Browse tab. This opens the full gallery of available integrations, a long alphabetical list of apps that plug straight into Todoist. Scroll until you find Jira, then click it to open its page. Jira is Atlassian's project and issue tracker used by software teams everywhere. And this is where the two tools shake hands. On the page, click the green Connect button. A new window opens asking you to sign into your Atlassian account and approve the connection. Sign in, then approve. Todoist never sees your password, it only gets the permissions it needs to sync issues with your tasks. Once it's linked, your two worlds stop drifting apart. Issues assigned to you in Jira can flow into Todoist as tasks, so you plan your sprint work right alongside everything else on your plate. You stop checking two systems and second-guessing which one is current, because they finally agree. That's the whole setup. Connect it once, and your tracker and your to-do list tell the same story. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.